Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use public toilet full guide. Step into a clean stall, lock the door, and prepare supplies like tissue and sanitizer. Avoid placing bags on the floor. Sit or stand according to the fixture type and aim to minimize contact with surfaces. Use toilet seat covers or paper to protect skin when available, and flush with the lid closed if possible to reduce spray. Finish by washing hands thoroughly and drying with a clean towel or air dryer. Keep a small travel kit with sanitizer, tissue, and wet wipes to handle unexpected situations and surfaces. When possible, use a paper barrier or disposable cover to reduce skin contact, and never rest your bag on the floor. Turn taps off with a paper towel or elbow to avoid recontamination, and dry hands completely to prevent germ transfer. Apply sanitizer after drying for extra protection before you touch your phone or keys. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you like practical habits for everyday life, consider a short read called The Simple Path to Wealth to refresh how you think about money and priorities. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like to help more people find it, and check the description for the book link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. If you encounter a dirty stall, seek another one or notify staff so cleaners can address it promptly to protect others. Carry disinfectant wipes to clean high-touch areas like flush handles and door locks before use, and always dispose of wipes and sanitary items in the bin provided to prevent plumbing issues. Stay aware of slip hazards from wet floors and avoid lingering in crowded restrooms to reduce exposure and keep traffic flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.